Hey everybody, it's Bryan with Abound Web Design here with yet another Squarespace update for you. This one has kind of come with little fanfare. It's something that I found just really kind of by accident, just looking around working, building one of my clients' websites. And that is QR codes in the back end of each of the pages on your website. So Squarespace will actually produce a QR code for you that you can then download that will connect to that particular page on your website. So this would be one of those things that's, not essential, but it is definitely a nice to have, makes things a little bit easier if you're running your business using QR codes. And so anyhow, let's jump over to my screen and I'll show you exactly how this works. Okay, so to get to this feature, you're just going to go into the settings of any page on your website. I say any page. We're going to check that out here in just a minute, but let's just use one of these pages here, for example. These are just normal pages that either started off from a page. They either started from a blank page or a page layout. And so we're going to the settings, click on the gear icon here, and we're going to scroll down here on the page settings under general. You scroll down and you see right here above enable page, now you have a little toggle switch for QR code. And so you just turn it on and then you hover over it and it gives you a button to be able to download that QR code. You see it downloads there. And then you can go over to your for me in a MacBook, in a Mac, it's the Finder window. And it's going to be saved as an image, I would bet. So scroll through these images. Did I pass it? No, that's a different QR code. And there it is. And so then now you can take this QR code and apply it, use Canva, W Express, whatever you use as far as software like that goes, and get it applied to anything that you need for marketing, whatever the case may be. For now, I'm going to turn that back off, and you can turn it off on and off as you need to use it. It's not going to hurt anything to leave it on. I just turned it off just because that's the way it was when I found it. But let's look at blog, for example. Let's see if it's available in blog. So for the blog page, it's not available. Let's go into blog and see if it's available for like individual blog post. So these are obviously generic blog post. Let's go into one of them here and give this a second to load. Okay, it's loaded up now. So let's look in the settings on one of these individual blog posts and see if there's an option there. Okay, there's not one there. Let's see. Let's look through here and make sure it's not one of these other places. Because, like I said, this has been very little. Like you can Google search QR codes for in Squarespace, and I'm seeing nothing out there right now. So, nothing for blog post. Let's see. Let's add. Okay, let's look at an event. Let's look at events. Let's go back out actually. We'll look at the okay. No QR code there. Let's see if there's any actual okay, no events found. Let's add one. And we'll just name it test event. I can type. Maybe I can't. All right, here we go. There we go. Okay. And then save it and exit. Now let's look at the settings of that. Okay, nothing there. Don't see anything there. Maybe under share. No. Social image. SEO. Options. No, looks like nothing on those. Okay, let's go back out. We're just finding this out together here. So let's go portfolio. We'll just pick one. And portfolio two, sure. I'll try again. All right, while we're in here, let's look at these individual pages. Okay, nothing there. Let's go to portfolio, the actual portfolio, nothing there. So it looks like these collection pages, you don't get that option. Let's go back down to not linked here. And what about a video page? We'll pick that one. We'll save that. Let's see if you get the option here. Nope. Go into all videos and just check out one of these videos and see. Okay, looks like nothing there. All right, so looks like best guess right now is that it's just anything that was a normal page, either started by a blank page or at one of these page layouts. You can go in and like, because for example, let's go ahead and add a something from a page layout here. Let's just go with this one, and we'll save it as that, and then go into all right, and like there it is, QR code, and it would just send them to your whatever your domain is with this URL slug that you have set up in here, and that's what the QR code would be linked up to. So that's all there is to it. If you found this useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials or updates like this one. And if you would like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.